I hope you don't hear the background noise in the hallway. Once again, Friday. Second on my first Christmas cane, Peach from last year. Peach is pretty good as a candy cane. But today I am talking about something serious. In BC, the floods. Now, being born in BC and hearing all these areas that get heavy hit by the flood, especially on Ashford, BC, with all the cows and the pigs are, making you wonder how many cows and pigs are being saved right now with the human beings. Well, I read that the milk cows is the first one going up on there. In other words, seeing as milk cows, it's a more important thing. Then everybody and every other animal later on. I think it's stopped. But it got me thinking how my mom and my family is doing in BC. I'd like to know, had the floods affected my mom and my brother where they live? I think they live close to one of those flood areas. I'm not sure. Please, Mom, tell me, or Robert. Speaking of which, I was talking about things in general. What ifs in my last video. Now this. My mom had noticed this in my last video. What do I have wrong with my finger? Well, I think I mentioned trigger finger. Mention here. This is a doorway. Okay? And one of my tendons go in and out, in and out, in and out. And one day, imagine, like this became a knot. Okay, a knot. Yes, tendons do knot out and cannot fit through this doorway in my finger. So when I bend my finger, it locks like this until I get some pressure to straighten it out. It hurts like the devil. Only way to make it right again and get rid of this knot is put my finger in the splint. And being wintertime here in the Yukon, below 26 yesterday, and this is limited. Try to walk a couple blocks with gloves on, and this got cold. I almost froze this finger off yesterday when we had 17 with the wind, just to get a pound of margarine and take some balls in. Yeah, it hurts. It really does hurt. So, since if I get it, that's me any member of my family will get it. So, beware. How I got it? I think it's overuse of my cane. Yes. So, yes, Mom, it's not a broken finger or anything like that. Thank you for asking. It makes me hesitant, Robert. You so paid attention. You didn't pay attention on my damaged finger. Boy. And now in this house, it's kind of like, I want to get quiet. Because it's just like, it's just a 10-minute, it's not like when I messed up this finger back in 1972 when I fall and the fingernail came out and I almost crushed it. I think about my mom thing, I did the same thing about 50 years later. No, Yeah. Right now, a lot of animals are having trouble. A lot of old folks, like, oh my God, my mom, sorry, older folks. Right now they're going to be food shortages and so forth. A lot of people got stranded because of landslide and so forth. Since BC is going to have really bad weather, what we got is the cold, wet air from BC, and so they make the cold air here even colder because we usually have the dry cold here. But no. Other than that, I am doing pretty good. But I feel like I know something mystery. Why when I put a video lately, it'd be like this last one, about 7 days before I hear from my family. Do you guys have internet? Can you afford internet down in BC? Or you have to go to the McDonald's to watch my videos and have a free coffee after you just collect the stickers? Please tell me if you're having trouble. And also, one more thing. Since this is the Christmas season coming up, please, Mom, send your address, your phone number, gift card, whatever to me. Because I haven't sent you a card, a Christmas card, or postcard, in many years. No, I won't give it to anybody or even the landlord. But still, why we are not sending Christmas cards back to us? You even didn't send me one of those dip jab videos with it. Yeah, Mom, on one of the dip jab videos. It'd be funny if I see Robert moving back and forth to Christmas song. Yeah, this is Christmas season. I just wonder, can we start? I'm talking about to everybody in my family. Why did we stop sending Christmas cards and letters? The only person who will have phone at this time of year soon is Howard. They're not expecting his phone call around Christmas like I was. How come I don't hear from you guys? Why not a phone? I'm able to keep my bill. I live in one of the more expensive places in Canada, around Canada. And that's it. Man, I wonder why. I'm able to keep my internet, my phone, and my cupboard full. And, I am safe up here. Mine's the fucking finger. And so forth. And it's like today, especially last night, it's dawning me. Christmas season is coming. Another season without getting a Christmas card from Mom or my brothers or sister. One. Why? The last time I sent out something, it's $50 gasoline card to Howard because he's the only one who gave me his address. But come on, everyone in my family. I don't want to air this out on Facebook. Send me. I may send you one of my art cards, one of my pieces of art. I am going to be starting another local art show pretty soon here in the Yukon, and I'm going to let you know when it comes. I'm getting pretty well known with my strange and unusual art. And how do you even know why my mom said, can I have a piece for Christmas? I'd be glad to send you a piece of art, Mom. Give me your address, please. Send it up on a postcard. Leave it in my email address. You know everything. It's kind of like this time of the year. It's getting kind of quiet. And no, I'm not moving down with you, too. I'm staying here and have my own life, Mom. I just want to have some holiday wishes. And I got some notion you only put something that if I goof up in my video, especially you, Mom, because of the camera, and all this and that. Something I missaid that bugs you, like in the last video. And yet, Mom haven't, really, make a video, send a video to me. Do something. New pictures of you guys. Come on. We're not in the stone age of the 1970s. We need to update. I know Facebook, it messes good, but at least I get more information from Harold when he wants to talk to me through Facebook. I'm not the greatest typer or speller, but this is why I make videos. So you can see me alive and doing great. But yet, no. It's kind of like, I wish I get a crispy card from Mom so I could send one of my homemade crispy cards that I was selling last year and this year to you. My art. That's amazing. Last year when I was at the show and everything, you didn't request a piece of art from me. Oh, you asked me how much I'm making money if I'm going to be rich. No, I'm not being rich, but at least I'm out there in the public now, showing my art. Well, what is it? And another thing I have found at the dollar shop is the visual on CD since month out. This is when they first came out in the 60s. It's a couple right here. It's amazing. Until now, I've been trying to find the record or the cassette of this. All I get is that modern CGI Saints months that sings and look awful. Ever since that cartoon in 1980, that was a bearable comic. But finding the visual Christmas item from these, even on the CD, is great. I got it for 50 cents. But also, I like to be would that work better? Yeah, the Band-Aid 30 item. Now, I had Wheel of the Well, actually I do, complete with the original donated film. I'm looking for the Band-Aid's first one back in 1984. Now I got the CD with the new singles. And yes, they do have the original mix in here. There's one of the CD match, but still. That's what I got today at the thrift store. Cut me $1.25 because I got a new Dawson City pin for my collection. Mom even knows in the pin collection. And all my background. Mom haven't even noticed it much about me, except for my gray hair. Yes, I'm turning gray. That's it. How great your hair, Mom. How bald you are, Robert. How come James did not message me in Facebook? Oh, Violet. Are you guys afraid of my lifestyle or something? Being a transgender person here, one of the few in the Yukon. Are you ashamed that I'm actually living fine without a wife, or not being with you, or able to help. I think my kind words and messages and brief mentions you in my video is something that I do care about you. But I'm still not going to move back in BC, especially right now. And yes, we got bed bugs and not much place to stay. Well, we got some new buildings building up here. I know C-19 had basically ruined part of my social life. Now you have to get like in Quebec, something called a card to go to have a fucking $1 coffee at McDonald's this week. I got my shots. I'm waiting for my booster shots. Is anybody in my family had these shots yet? I'd like to know. But now you keep this information quiet, not a long private email. You know where you can reach me, private PM me here, Facebook. You can do it. Write to me how you guys are doing. So I've been talking about what I've been finding and so forth here and bitching about that vegan teacher and a few other assholes on the internet. Other than life here in the Yukon. The reason I have a crappy camera now is just because a good quality webcam will cost me way over than $50 now. And we don't have many of them for sale. Oh, I may use my laptop, but that's cheating. I just got, 4G's here. Space. I took my 3G hard drive, put all the information, all my art and things into this small thing. $150. Not bad, it's what's on sale. 4G. Maybe one of these days I will get 10G, but that's wait until they could become this. Maybe 5, maybe G. I mean TBs. Terabytes. I still call these things GB, gigabyte drive. This is for TB. The last one I had was 3 TB. I have a 2 TB and 1 TB hard drive. Now I could fit in here. Now I can use all my old drives for backup. Speaking of which, you think this is the same thing, Mom? Rob is very handy with these things. Save it up. All the information, scan all your information, all pictures and this and that. Save it up. Make it waterproof. Just in case you have to send it up somewhere. Or save it. I have all my pictures that you've been seeing on here. And so forth. And these videos. Well, 99% of them. But still, come on, Mom. It's time to open the gates and start talking. You know by now I'm not going to move down to you. That's how much times I've said that in this video. I don't know why you don't talk to me or send me anything. Not even a birthday card for my 56th birthday. You haven't sent me birthday cards in years. And I haven't sent you anything because you haven't given me any address. So, in January, I would send you a birthday card. But no. What is this quietness about? I'd like to know. Please. Please stay wet and dry. and safe from all these floods. Look like your winter is going to be worse than mine. Yes, folks. Mom, tell me where you live and how far off the landslides and the floods and down in the lower BC and the Kuraklea Highway up in the last I have around Fort St. John. Tell me how you're surviving in this bad weather. Please? Oh, it's 20 minutes 44 seconds this video, and I think I went over again, but to everybody out there, like, I think I should start, you send me a postcard, I will send you a postcard back. I would love to send you a piece of my art for Christmas, so you can hang up on the tree or the wall. You didn't ask me that, I think, last year. The reason why I didn't send you, no address. And anybody met other member of my brothers and sister, send me your address. I may send you a Christmas art piece. Come on. And write it. If we could do an art trade, I send you one of my pieces of art, you could send me a piece of your beads. Amazing, nobody ever thought of that yet. See you guys later. Bye.